Hi and welcome. First of all, why push-ups? If you are new to workout, push-ups especially, you might want to know what is the benefit of doing push-ups. At least, maybe you might want to hear a reason or two why you should do push-ups for a little motivation. Push-ups are a great way to strengthen your arms, shoulders, and chest. They are also a great way to get your heart rate up and burn some calories. Getting the body fit, healthier, and getting some nice weight loss could be good motivation for most of us to do push-ups. However, for some people, push-ups are somehow not as easy as we first think. So, are you having trouble doing push-ups? Here are some things to consider and tips for push-ups for beginners. If you can't do a full push-up yet, start by doing them on your knees. Make sure your hands are shoulder width apart, and that your body forms a straight line from your head to your knees, or toes, if you're doing them on your toes. Keep your core engaged the entire time. Don't let your hips sag, and don't let your butt stick up in the air. Lower yourself down slowly, and then push yourself back up. If you're still having trouble, try doing push-ups against a wall. Start with your hands shoulder width apart, and your feet a few inches away from the wall. Slowly bend your elbows and lower your body until your nose touches the wall, then press back up to the starting position. As you get stronger, try moving your feet further away from the wall. So, you are stronger now? Now you can try doing them with your toes instead of your knees. Start in the same position as a regular push-up, but raise your hips so your body forms a straight line from your head to your ankles. This works your muscles in a different way, and can help you to build even more strength. When starting out with push-ups, it is important to consider how many reps you will be doing. For beginners, start with 2 sets of 5 to 6 push-ups a day, resting for 1 minute between sets. Once you get comfortable with the movement, you can start to increase the number of reps you do. If you are wondering when you should do push-ups, the best time to do push-ups is in the morning, before breakfast. This is because you have more energy and you are less likely to be tired. But, make sure that you won't have a breakfast frenzy after your workout. Or else the workout you did will be invalid. Consume adequate amounts of food according to your body's needs. Well, I guess that's common sense already now, lol. So, are you ready to do push-ups now? Good luck and have fun with your push-ups. Kindly press the like button and subscribe for more tips like this. Thank you for watching. See you again on the next video.